Isa ka ba sa nagsasearch online ng iyong magiging future dream home or real estate investment? Click ng click sa mga dumadaan sa ating news feeds online or yung mga Facebook ads ng mga real estate sellers. Pues, ang video na ito ay para sa iyo. Here are some buyer's guides when inquiring online. Lagi po nating tatandaan ha, be a wise buyer. Guide number 1. Ask about the property. Saan ang exact location? Anong towns or barangay ang nakakasakop dito? Is it along the road or along the highway? May 24/7 transportation ba? How far or ilang hours yung travel time from your place going to the property location? Is it pre-selling? Or may mga RFO units na already for occupancy or may existing community na ba? How big is the property? Ilan ang lot area and floor area? Ano yung house specifications or actual turnover? Is it bare type? Is it basic finish? Or is it complete finish? Guide number 2. Ask about the price and payment scheme. Magkano ang exact total contract price? Is it available through Pag-ibig or bank financing? Nag-o-offer ba ang developer ng in-house financing or are there promos or discounts kapag binayaran mo ng cash ang buong contract price or nagbayad ka ng spot full down payment? Magkano ang reservation fee? Ito ba ay deductible from your down payment? Ilang months or ilang years to pay at magkano ang magiging monthly down payment? How about your future amortizations through Pag-ibig or bank? How much? Ilan ang interest rate per annum? Guide number 3. Ask about the developer. May license to sell and development permit ba ito? Ano yung kanilang track record? May mga completed projects na ba sila? Tandaan po natin ha, pwede na nating i-search online yung credibility po ng ating mga developers. Tip number 4. Ask about the sellers. Ang kausap po ba natin ay licensed real estate broker or accredited real estate salespersons ng PRC and DSUD? Always ask for their PRC and DSUD identification card or accreditation number. Lastly, tanungin po natin, sino ang kanilang supervising licensed real estate broker? Final tip from your licensed broker, always ask po for a sample computation sheet and official brochure po ng property na ino-offer sa atin. And ask for an actual schedule of site tripping. But before po tayo mag-confirm ng actual site tripping, i-review po nating maigi yung present sa atin ng salespersons. Okay ba sa atin yung location? Okay ba sa atin yung travel time? Okay ba sa atin yung payment terms and conditions? Kaya ba natin i-comply yung mga requirements? In that way, hindi po tayo mag-aaksaya ng oras, ng pagod, tayo as buyers. At the same time, hindi rin po tayo magbibigay ng false hope dun sa ating kausap na real estate salesperson. In that way, during the actual site tripping, yun po ay merely confirmation na lang po ng ipresent sa atin online. Kaya kung nagustuhan natin yung property, that day po during your tripping ay pwede na po kayong mag-reserve on-site dun sa mga staff po ng developers na present. Kaya lagi po nating tatandaan ha, be informed, be protected, and be a wise buyer. Ito po ang inyong licensed real estate broker from EM Abapo Realty. See you again sa ating next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!